Lord have mercy. This is not a time for them to be doing this about food.
Everybody going.
They shouldn't be doing us like this.
Hey, listen. Good morning, everybody. Okay.
Yeah, it's gonna be all right. It's gonna be okay.
I don't want to cause any disturbance with anybody. But I want you guys to just listen to this. Listen. First of all, I know you guys are distressed. We're distressed. We're not home either. We're displaced as well as you guys are. What we're trying to do is provide what we can get in this building for you guys. Okay, but the first people that we gotta serve are those children. The second people that we gotta serve are the elderly. Okay?
Well, I'm a little bit younger than you. That might
all
be
the other
late.
stuff,
I'm just gonna go with my wife.
you guys gotta
Sir,
calm
come on,
down.
so you get you and your wife.
Miss Martha
We
told
gotta
you.
take the kids
Yes, she is.
first.
So she
The
got to come.
elderly second. Mom and dad last. That's the way it has always been.
That's her husband now.
Okay, but we only have to take care of the children and the elderly first. And then we're gonna take care of you guys. Okay? Yes? Uh-huh. Right.
But my son has been, I've been standing in this line for 2 hours for my child.
Right.
But people were just walking in with their children and going to them.
We've
Okay.
been standing longer than 2
Okay.
hours.
Okay. Now, all you guys been standing here for 2 hours, right? Now, everybody, kid that walked up here, and these people been standing in line, you and your parents stand out the way.
Finna stop it. They finna stop there.
Right, move back.
Move
Move
They
back.
finna stop it.